Mastering the future perfect tense, a journey before time. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to focus on an exciting part of the future perfect tense. We're going to explore how to use the time expression, before, in the context of future perfect. Understanding this will greatly improve the accuracy and complexity of your English. So, let's jump right in. To begin with, we need to remind ourselves what the future perfect tense is. This tense is used when we want to say that something will have happened by a certain time in the future. We use it to talk about completed actions in the future. The formula is, will have plus past participle. For example, she will have finished her homework by dinner time. They will have arrived at the station by 6 p.m. Now, let's move on to our main topic, the time expression, before. In English, we often use before with future perfect tense to emphasize that one future event will occur before another future event. When we say, I will have completed my project before the weekend, we mean that the completion of the project, future event 1, will occur before the weekend starts. Future event 2. Let's look at some more examples to make this concept crystal clear. 1. He will have left the party before midnight. 2. We will have finished our meal before the movie starts. 3. She will have sent the email before the meeting begins. In each of these examples, the first event is completing before the second event starts. It's your turn now. Try to create sentences using the future perfect tense with before. This practice will help you feel more comfortable and confident using this structure. And that wraps up our video on using before in the future perfect tense. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. I hope this video has made that journey a little bit easier for you. Keep practicing, and you'll master these concepts in no time. See you in our next video. Happy learning!